Welcome legends, I'm the Rusty Bartender and this is the Little Mix Cocktail Van. Today we're going to make a popcorn espresso martini. Come on! At this point in our lives, does anybody not like an espresso martini? I mean, what's not like? Caffeine, alcohol. It's good, right? Know what I'm saying? I love alcohol. I love caffeine. Mix the two of them? Yeah. Alright. Gonna want to start by grabbing a glass. A coupe glass is nice for an espresso martini. Do you know why? Because it looks good. And it layers nice too. Ice your glass as always, because nobody wants a warm glass. Nobody wants a warm espresso martini, because that's just disgusting. So for this drink, you're going to need a couple of ingredients. We've got bamboo rum. I'm going with this one because it's got a really buttery flavour for a rum, and it's going to go really well with the popcorn we're going to be adding. And we're using Mr. Black, which is made right here in Australia from cold brew coffee. Delicious. Fresh espresso, because fresh is best when it comes to espressos. And lastly, we've got some popcorn syrup. If you guys want to know how to make the popcorn syrup, let me know in the comments below. P.S. Whenever I said it gives a really buttery flavour, I mean butterscotch. I'm Irish, leave me alone. Now, top tip, if you want a really creamy head on your espresso martini, shake it really hard. Doesn't matter how long you shake it, as long as you shake it hard, you'll get a nice, really thick cream on top. Grab your shaker. Fill it with some ice. Now we're going to go in with 30 mils of our Mr. Black. 30 mils, done. We're going to go in with 30 mils of our bamboo rum. The smell of that is amazing. And we're going to add 30 mils of freshly brewed espresso. Beautiful. And then lastly, 30 mils of our popcorn syrup. It's a nice, easy recipe to remember. Ratios are 1:1:1:1. Let's shake it. At this point, you want to tip your ice out. And you want to double strain this into your glass. With this one, we're going to garnish with some popcorn. Now, I'll let you into a secret. Skewering popcorn is harder than it looks. You know what I mean? It's all about the gram. Know what I'm saying? I would not recommend doing it. But hey, look at this. See the layers? See how creamy it is? And then tell me that does not look good. Fucking beautiful. Oh, I tell you now, that is amazing. Coffee, popcorn, rum. Ah, the bamboo rum just really pairs well with coffee. Don't know why. Butter, popcorn, coffee. Popcorn espresso martini, everyone. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.